Welcome back, guys. Picked up a box of Then Now Forever from our local hobby shop. It's about a 45-minute drive away from us, but not too bad. And he just marked them down today to $39 a box. So let's open this up and see what we get. Rock tribute. Not going to spend too much time on the base cards. I think most of you have seen those. Just looking to see what our two hits are going to be out of this box. Or, if we get any golds. There's another rock card, 2 packs in a row. Not sure how many of the rock cards you get in a box. Triple H and Stephanie. Bronze. NXT.
What? This one is right here.
Teo Tommy.
Some decorations on my tutu to make it cuter. And take my tutu.
Perfect 10, Ty Dillinger. I believe this set is the one that has Nakamura signatures too, I believe. Of course, I'm sure we won't get that lucky, but you never know. That's what reminded me of that. This is today's Monday here. We have a kind of excited we're participating in another group box break with Lazy Booking tonight of 15 undisputed and 16 undisputed. So hopefully I'll get this video uploaded before that. So if you're watching this and it's before 9 o'clock, make sure you switch over to Lazy Booking tonight and take a look at that too. It should be a lot of fun. Another rock card. No Way Jose. I'm liking him and Dillinger together. Hope they keep building that storyline up. AJ and Cena, that gets old. Really don't like how they're using AJ. He's such a good wrestler. They haven't really found a niche for him yet, or a good rivalry, really. Looks like nobody can really keep up with him. Yeah, it seems like I'm getting a lot of these Rock Tribute cards. Maybe it's just this side of the box, I don't know. Maurice.
Huh?
No, it's Mania week coming up too. I'm excited to see everybody heading down there. I know BTB's going, and Awesome Lorenzo Brothers. I think they already put something out. Yeah, they thought they were going early, and there's people already heading down there, so. But should be a fun week. Looking forward to everybody vlogging about that and seeing everybody's comments on that. I still think they're doing a decoy or something with Big Show and Shaq. I think you're still gonna see that match. I think they're just trying to build it up like you're not, so then you don't expect it, and then that's one of the surprises. Which, yeah, there's a Jim Neidhart.
Yeah.
It's BTB's favorite card to pull. Still haven't seen a hit out of this box yet. We just got a hit. Figures it's how I talk. Looks like it's a printing plate.
Whoa!
Looks like an
Who is
Emma.
Emma.
1 out of 1 printing plate.
Who is that?
Wow, that's a Scion printing plate. Emma, 1 out of 1. So that's cool. I traded away one of my only other printing plate, Alberto Del Rio, so I'm happy to get one back now. So that's a cool hit. Wish you could see the card a little better, but it's alright. Printing plate is cool. It's metal, pretty much indestructible. I guess you could bend it if you wanted. That would be kind of silly. So there's our first hit. Like I said, we're just a little bit more than halfway through the box now. So let's see what the next hit's gonna be. I like how they put the printing plates in now. There's another Rock Tribute. So, and for $39, you can't beat that. I think the Topps is still selling the retail boxes for more than that, even. So, and we did wipe the guy out of everything he had at the card shop, so we will we'll probably be visiting him again. Oh, there's our silver parallel.
You know how to do that?
Actually, this is my second Bob Orton silver parallel out of all the ones to pull. Okay, we got a few packs left. Let's see how we do here. Undertaker, Shinsuke. I'm hoping, much as I like seeing Undertaker, he's age, starting to show his age a little bit here. I guess we'll have to see how WrestleMania goes. What he really does. But I tell you, it's pretty cool. We were at Cleveland earlier when he made a surprise appearance, and just when the lights go dark and the bell rings, it gives you chills. So it's still pretty cool. He's got some star power. AJ and Roman, I like that matchup. Of course, a lot of people aren't Roman fans, but I think he can wrestle. There's another rock tribute. I'm gonna have to add them up at the end and see how many we got. Okay, we got 3 packs left. Hopefully there's another hit in here. Should be 2 hits. Yeah, 2 hits per box. I think from some of the other videos I've seen, that bottom left normally has a hit. So we will see what happens here. He had an English bronze. Lana and Bree. Lana's been wrestling in NXT, so we should hopefully see her on TV soon wrestling. Second to last pack here. And Bree, as you probably knows, I think 35 weeks pregnant right now, so she won't be wrestling anytime soon. Alright, last pack. So this is what we would call a hot pack now, because we know it has a hit. Came from that bottom left corner. It's some type of thick card. So will it be a kiss card?
Ooh.
That would be nice.
That would be awesome. A printing plate and a kiss code.
So let's see what we got.
I know.
There's our... My son thinks he knows what it is. What do you think it is?
Kalisto medallion.
Oh, I hope not.
Yeah, it is, for sure.
Oh,
Ooh, Papa Shingo.
I don't like that.
Talk about a bum hit. I just do not like manufactured hit cards.
I want that.
So, hey, I found a trading partner, I think. But,
I want both of those.
So, I think no autograph. I wish I would have got an autograph out of this box, but I got a Bob Thornton silver, Emma printing plate, and a Papa Shango, I don't know what, medallion card. Number 291 out of 299. So the crown jewel out of the box would be the Emma printing plate, which is pretty cool. I like that. So can't be sad. Like I said, I spent $39 and that's what we got. Here's the Rock tribute cards. So we got 6 of them. So that's about right, I guess. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, check out Lazy Booking's group bots break tonight at 9 o'clock, March 27th. And if you're watching this after that, I'm sure you could go back and watch it again, but he's opening up a box of 15 undisputed and 16 undisputed. And I got a spot in each of those, so I'll definitely be watching that. So hope you enjoyed. Talk to you soon.